Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your picture to cartoon in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your picture to cartoon version, you just simply have to open your Discord server at first, and after opening Discord, just simply open this Midjourney bot, and after opening Midjourney, you just simply have to upload your picture which you want to change into cartoon version. For example, I'm selecting this picture right here and I have already copied this picture link into my clipboard. You have to do the same. Now just simply open this message section and type command imagine. Then after that, you just simply have to paste the link of the image that you have copied and then write the command for changing this picture to cartoon. You should write change the picture as a cartoon character, and you can specify what kind of style do you want, and after that simply tap to send button. Then Midjourney will start to create or change your image to a cartoon character. Just simply wait for a while, and as you can see here, Midjourney already created some result in cartoon style into my page. This way you can easily change a picture to cartoon version in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.